Hey guys, so this is a stick of RAM that I used in an old system back in around 2012. Now I'm recording this in April of 2025. So this was from an old system that I decommissioned and has been sitting in my closet for a long time. So I pulled it out and I'm going to be using that system for spare parts building, for a budget spare parts build I'm throwing together pretty soon. But yeah, I figured I'd do some videos on the components. Now this is a stick of PC3-12800, so 12800, which is DDR3 RAM running at 1600 megahertz. And the bandwidth for this RAM is going to be 12.8 gigabits per second. Now, one notable thing for this RAM, so for the system board this is going on, the system board will support will not support 1600 megahertz RAM unless it has an Ivy Bridge CPU. It supports both a Sandy Bridge and an Ivy Bridge. If you have an Ivy Bridge, you will be able to run the slightly faster 1600 megahertz RAM, which is this one. So to use this RAM on the system board I'm going to be using, you do need the Ivy Bridge CPU, which I have, and so that's why I'm going with it. That's why I went with this configuration initially, and that's, those are the parts I have to work with now. Now you can see here the timing on this is 9-9-9-24. So that's going to be cast latency, or CL, is going to be 9, and your TRCD, or RAS to cast delay, is 9, and your TRP, or row precharge time, is also going to be 9, and your TRAS, or row active time, is going to be 24, which is going to be longer than longer than a 12, which is another setting you could have. You could mix this with a 12, but it's going to default to the slower speed. But in any case, yeah, that's about all I wanted to say about this RAM. This is basically just nothing too exciting. It's Mushkin. It's a well-known, trusted brand that people generally tend to like. This was highly rated when I bought it, so that's why I chose the component. But this is also very old. It's many years old. So this is just something pulled out of a spare parts box that I'm just going to use as a spare part. It's obviously not something you're going to go purchase a new part for a new PC build. But if you're scraping up old parts from spare parts boxes, or from like old hardware that you bought on eBay or something like that, it might be relevant. But in any case, yeah. So it's a Mushkin Blackline, and I bought this a long time ago. But yeah, basic standard DDR3 RAM, 1600 megahertz. So that's what we've got here. Felt like I would just share this as one of the components going into my build. And that's about it for today. So, leave a comment down below if if I left anything out, or if there, anything stood out to you about this RAM. I think it's relatively straightforward. It's the right choice for the system that I got. And you might want to give me a thumbs up for this video, but also you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. We're covering a lot of other hardware, PC hardware, server hardware. We do like operating systems, servers, services, coding, hardware, software, 3D printing, robots, Raspberry Pis, all that sort of great tech stuff. If you want that in your feed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But that is about it for today. So, hopefully you found this video interesting, but that's it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.